I don't know. What are you doing? This looks... Jeez. How different do I look now? Oh, Jesus.
You got a little 4.5 today, yeah. Yeah, honestly, you look like 10 years younger.
Yeah, yeah.
Very, very dramatic.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, I'd just like to thank her so much and her expertise and what she'd done and the care and the laughs we had too. And she's done an excellent job, an absolute professional, 100%, 110% professional. Outstanding at her job. And detail is unbelievable with her. Even if it's just a little bit here, a little bit there, you know, she'll make sure it's 100%. Hi, my name's Stephen Giannis. I'm from Coolangatta on the Gold Coast in Australia. Come to Vietnam here to get my teeth fixed up. Yeah, I think it accelerated really in the last 2 years. My teeth really started breaking down really fast. You know, a lot more grinding at night, etc. Too many soft drinks, stuff like that. Yeah, too much alcohol and smoking. Yeah, to sort of clear it out of your system because you know you can't because you're having all the dental work and it's bad, and you've spent the money to come over here to fix your teeth to get you feel better inside. So yeah. So it was good break, and that's why another thing was good I was on my own, because yeah, I've gone through things at night, withdrawals and everything like that, and you know, from those cigarettes and the alcohol, so it's worked out well, and I was by myself, so really glad I made the move and decision to do it. Because there is times, sometimes with my work too, where I've got to speak to 20 workers in front of them and just explain something to them, and you know, and it's always hard because I'm trying not to mumble because I'm keeping my mouth shut, you know, so yeah. I'm embarrassed about my teeth and stuff like that. I did spend probably a year researching it, so yeah. Someone did say Turkey, but I thought, oh no, I'm not really sort of keen on that. Yeah, I did. I'd seen 4 dentists over there. Basically, 3 of them wanted to just pull all the teeth out and put it all on 4s on. One said, oh, I think we can save. And then I reached out to you guys and then come here and you managed to save basically most of my teeth, which was good. You know, always best, I think, to probably keep your original teeth if you can. It had slight hesitations. I thought, oh, I don't want to end up with Trivago teeth, or I don't want them all over the place, crooked, you know. How much pain is it going to be painful? Are they going to be, you know, like butchers, I suppose, you know, but it was totally the opposite. That's, I suppose, flying to a country not knowing what's going to happen and how it's all going to go. But yeah, probably 2nd day, 3rd day, yeah, once you really started digging in my teeth. And when I got picked up from the airport and I was speaking to the people there, and, you know, they said, you know, it's not like you have to, don't go out at night or anything like that. And it's been fine, never felt uncomfortable in any situation. Yeah, I've been using the apps like the Grab, you know, for the taxis and food deliveries because I couldn't be bothered to go looking and stuff like that. Yeah, and yeah, and they've all worked pretty good. Because I'm technical minded and I think a lot, when a lot of the time when I was in a dental chair, I was thinking a lot of this is very similar process to repairing a rust hole in a car. Believe it or not, you've got to cut out all the rust, so get rid of all the decay, and then you've got to put fillers in it. And even as to the fillers you use, and you use a UV light, we use UV light on our primers and stuff on the cars as well. Very similar. It's actually a very similar process, believe it or not, yeah, which is quite surprising. Oh, geez, it would have to be 5 years ago, 6 years ago, probably longer. All my muscles in my jaw are sort of starting to relax, and now that I can smile because I don't feel embarrassed, or it's been a few days and since everything's sort of been finished, so yeah, and I'll get my mouth jaw moving.
Yeah,
definitely been brilliant experience, 100% recommend it to anyone. It's good. I even had steak the other night. I don't know if I was supposed to, but I did. But I cut it up in little pieces and just, yeah. And just took slow. I just took my time, slow down on eating and just make sure I don't, yeah, it's been a couple of months. I could eat steak before, but it was really hard. It would get stuck in my teeth everywhere and it'd just be painful. Well, yeah, just hard to eat. Dental work was, yeah, unbelievable. Pretty well no pain. yeah, from past experience from in Australia, you know, every time I've had dental work there, always pain. Always pain. Here, virtually no pain. The dentists back home need a wakening up, I think. And learn to look after people better, I think, better care. I think it was a wise move, definitely a wise move. If anyone asks me, yeah, I'll come straight away, come to you guys. So, yeah, without a doubt. Oh, and I think they're going to be happy. They're going to be really happy for me. I sort of can't wait to show them. Yeah, it's still sort of sinking in that I have got good teeth now, funnily enough. I've got 100% no complaint about nothing. Except this is a bit hot here for me at the moment. No. But yeah, no, everyone looked after me really well. All the work was absolutely excellent.